Yeah. Sometimes it's hard, man. Change the way you are. You know what? I want my heart right now to wake up. Takuwai ushimes chipinga ndichino ndanobona namabot usibe nasiri techeresa vendabon limuye yodara ngaso batu bakolo ndifuna ndatotsura nabo rastaman ratakara bachimbiza ramalataman ndopambana nazo shango ngondatataman zongoratedza mbiru tiketsenima nitanyere na zvitu dzibeshenima babeyana mishonga magetenima bachira na mafora dzipekenima mbiru yamu ivuwe kerekenima nitanyere zibui nitamere zibui ndanamera ndobui ndajenati chabui yala nawe chahu urebazi chagu ndano amba ndo imbesa musindisa tutu. Sina chine wakobona naho wukukura wakuruwa na magona please sadibade kanye na mawona usaitas never funa for sure batoviza bari just walk away fura lingwe siyatari rabera uchirirera ndibo na butari usongo nendisa mumburo nga mabaribari utura shisha biko ngari uka January sitting on the bench doesn't mean you're not part of the team, you're part of the team but just not part of the skill. Yes it's skinny, no need of training a gym cause you make good music from a naked heartbeat. Yes you're poor, maybe you even sleep on the street but you don't never reason to sell devil your piece. Don't sell devil your piece.